Hey there, my awesome kinder artists. So I just read to you Harold and the Purple Crayon. I hope you enjoyed this story. It's one of my most favorite stories because it is all about using your imagination, which is something that we use a lot of here in art. So what is imagination? That's a pretty big word and you've probably heard it before. So using your imagination is a way of coming up with new ideas and thoughts, or coming up with new pictures or images, okay? Just like Harold and the Purple Crayon, right? So in the story, Harold really had to use his imagination and he had to use his purple crayon. And his imagination took him different places. His imagination is what helped him draw the different things he wanted to see and places he wanted to go. Like, for example, in the story, Harold drew himself an apple tree and he drew himself a dragon to protect his apples. He also drew himself a boat and an ocean. He drew himself a building with lots and lots of windows. So that was Harold using his imagination to draw what he saw, right? So you get to be like Harold in the story, and you're going to use your purple crayon and your imagination, and you're going to draw me a picture of what you see. So for example, in my imagination and using my purple crayon, I drew a beach. You can see the ocean and the waves. You can see fish and seaweed and coral. You can see an island with some palm trees, some clouds, and a sun. So we know it's a bright sunny day. So this is where my purple crayon and my imagination took me. I want to see where this purple crayon is going to take you. What do you want to draw? What do you see in your imagination? You can draw whatever you would like, okay? So that's gonna be part one of the lesson, okay? And then part two, as you can see here, I drew and cut out a circle for a sun. And look here, I cut out a wavy line. Did you guys remember that this is a wavy line? Because since I drew some water in the ocean, we know that the water moves, kind of makes wavy lines. So I cut out a wavy line going across my paper. So part two of the lesson, since we were learning last week all about shapes and we were reviewing our lines, we were also practicing our cutting. So what I would like for you to do is to think of something you want to cut out and glue onto your picture, okay? It doesn't have to be a lot. You can cut out as many things as you would like. I only cut out two things. I only cut out a sun and a wavy line. If you would like to do that, you can do that as well, or you can cut out more things. It's totally up to you, okay? So what you're going to do is use your purple crayon, use your imagination, and draw me what you see, and then cut out a couple of things to add into your imagination picture. All right, boys and girls, so I hope you enjoy the lesson. I can't wait to see all of your pictures, so don't forget to submit. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.